So I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so I need to confirm first. You can see the okay. Good evening, Boss Jonadel. Nice to see you again.
Good evening.
I know you have been busy. It's okay. I know you've been busy.
Yes.
Okay,
Sorry.
it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Good evening, Boss. Jerone Kaiser. Good evening, Boss. Okay. Can you see my screen now? I already shared it. I hope you can see it.
Yep.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, it's already recorded. So let's begin. So law of retracement, simple. It has
Actually, I can't see your screen thinking about it. I thought I could, but no, all I see is, hang on, what's happening here?
okay. How about this? Can you see this? Okay.
I'm not seeing anything. All I'm seeing
Okay.
is
Oh, let me
turn it off and turn it back on
stop.
again.
Okay. Stop sharing. Okay, I will do it
Yep.
again. 1, 2,
And then
3.
start sharing.
Okay, Boss Kaiser can see, so I will reshare. Okay.
Weird.
Okay. How about that? Okay,
No, I'm just seeing people join. One
okay,
second.
nice. We are a lot today. Thank
Yes, we
God.
can see that already.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Can I say?
So let's start now. So
Yeah, can you hear me?
yeah.
Hello there. How are
Wow,
you?
nice voice.
Hello. All right.
Okay, nice.
What
Thank
a
you so
lovely-
much.
What a lovely voice and
Yeah.
headgear.
Sexy voice. So guys, listen to me. I already sent my XRPTA. We must close above 1.66 tomorrow to extend the rally towards the psychological $2. Beyond that, we hope that we might not go as low as 1.56, because if it will happen, we will go back again to the lower. But so far I look at the volumes, very strong. So let's proceed now. So our topic tonight is law of retracements. You know, guys, law of retracement.
One second. I've lost everything. I've only got sound. I'm going to close it. Well, not close it. I'm going to cut the call and come back in again. I just thought I'd let you know. 2 seconds.
Okay. Oh, okay. So let's continue. Don't worry. This video is recorded. Nothing to worry about. I back it up. Can you see? As you can see here, I back it up. So simple, guys. The law of retracement, guys, is very important. Number 1, to avoid being in a stock trade. Number 2, we can sell in the resistance. Number 3, we can buy or reposition ourselves. So I've been using this, guys. You know, everything I teach here in this video, I'm discussing since the beginning, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me until the end. We are not perfect, but we keep on working hard. You know, guys, I keep saying, guys, that 50 to 60% price correction is acceptable. You know, price is sorry. When price keep going up, guys, remember this. When price keep going up, it is a dangerous type of market. We've seen it. It's a pump and dump, guys. Remember, it will be a pump and dump. Very risky. So I know we've seen a lot of crypto been pumping, manipulated. We can see that through the help of B-bonds. We have already discussed a session for the B-bonds. It is very important. Remember, this is my personal trading that works for me. I use B-bond, guys, to identify overbuying, guys. Overbuying is a sign of a dangerous market or dangerous trade. It's okay if we buy the the earlier low price, but when it goes up, guys, just get out ASAP, or do not re-enter. That is the danger, guys. But a healthy market, guys, remember, a healthy market is corrected ASAP. Remember, we hit a high of 1.74 today. Look at the XRP, guys. We are now in the 1 day and 5 hours since the POD breakout here. This was the breakout, guys. We are up today for almost, we are up, look at, guys, we are up 22% from this breakout here earlier. This is hourly chart. So what happened next? I already escalated a 50 to 60%. We must escalate, guys. Escalate or speculate, so that it will be our, remember, it is our repositioning. So a healthy market, guys, is corrected ASAP. So that is a sign of a healthy market. So far so good. XRP is pumping again, slowly. The volumes are not that good, not that high. We need a volume like this, but so far people sold here, then re-entered some. Don't worry, it's recorded. Don't worry. So low retracement, guys, is a skill. I know I've been using this. I always escalate through speculation or estimation, whatever the term that we use, we like. So we use an example, guys. For the XRP, other, let's say Bitcoin. Let's remove this all. Okay, let's remove everything from scratch. This is a weekly, we use daily. So this is the example, guys. If we trade right now here, if we take this trade right now, we buy, example, if we have, let's say we have $1,000 right now. Okay, Bitcoin is around 70. I will decide to buy now. So we don't know what will happen tomorrow. It might go down or might go up. We don't know, because no one can predict the price. So what we do, guys, is do an estimation and speculation, guys. So this is the first part, guys. Sorry, first part, price speculation, future price action. So we will make a trade. Okay, we will make a trade. This is a spot, no futures, dangerous. We will not do leverage trading. I don't want you to get liquidated. I don't want you to suffer depression like I did. So we focus on safe trades, simple, straightforward. So we buy now. If we buy now, what we do is do an speculation. So again here, so if we buy now, this is a daily candle, guys. Remember, this is daily candle. It needs 24 hours to close. So tomorrow we must do tomorrow, the close tomorrow is here. So May 7, today is May 6, or tonight. So if we buy today, buy tonight, we must, depending on our position, depending on our entry. So if we bought here, okay, this is our entry, we base that the retracement that we will do will be based on our entry. So we bought earlier, we are down, so it's like, wow, after we buy, the price went down. So that is the mistake of a lot of people. I've been there. That is why we really need to check the resistances. The resistances are here, guys. Let us create them first. Let's create a Fibonacci retracement. It's very important. Okay, the higher the latest high and the low, connect them, bang. So this was our entry, green. So we can now identify the resistance, but check the trend first. Okay, this is the trend, that is the resistance line, and the support side, this is the support, the rounding bottom. So this is skills, guys. Soon you will create yourself a lot like this. So again, support here, double bottom, guys. This is double top, that is a sell signal. So we also create a symmetrical triangle. So Bitcoin is now trying to get out in this pesky trend line resistance. So this is our entry. Let's put a star. Okay, so we don't know what will happen next, but based on how I see the charts now, this is the area of supply, demand, the support here. So this is the supports. This is now, guys, the retracement, guys. This is our topic tonight. So we might go down as low as 18%, or next, if our trade is good, we might go up 13%. So this is it, guys, the estimations, guys. So you must decide a stop loss. Okay, so this is our entry. How much can you risk your money? So let's say, for me personally, I like to use 5%. So after that, I'm done, I'm out. So I cannot risk anymore. Okay, so this is my plan. We bought here, so I can wait. This is a daily, this is a long time frame. So it might be long. This is the entry. We can wait 17 days or 18 days or 21 days. So right now the Bitcoin is consolidating now for 22 days now, tanking. So that's it, guys. So if we buy now and do a retracement in the price, if our trade is not according to plan, we might go down to the low, the previous low. So that is 18.16% in reference to our entry. So but if our trade is good, we bought here, then we might exit here in the previous all-time high. This is a resistance. So we might get 13% up from our trade. So that is huge, guys, depending on the size of your capital. So this is resistance. So we allow only a stop loss here. Okay, this is the stop loss. We use a color yellow or something, violet. So this is the plan. We bought here, so we are now in the trade. So what we do now is wait. So we don't know what will happen tomorrow. So personally, in my video today, I want Bitcoin to close above the daily a 50-day SMA, above the 56 here. This is, guys, this is, I already planned, guys. We must go. This is not only just a session, but I also teach you some of my abilities, guys. So Bitcoin must close above this green line here, guys, so that it can retest here and maybe the all-time high. So I don't want Bitcoin to go down. All of us don't want a low Bitcoin because everything is dragged down. Yeah, right? Agree? So
Yeah.
correct. We must watch Bitcoin, guys. I know maybe some of you, I know all of you, or maybe some others say hate Bitcoin, but me, guys, I'm neutral. Bitcoin is the leader. We cannot change the fact about that. So I know I'm a diehard XRP, but we need Bitcoin to be healthy. That is why I keep following these two, guys. So you can see, guys, I want you to see this. Look at the weekly of the XRP, very strong, guys. Golden cross, silver cross, and soon this blue line will project. This red line will be crossed. So all-time high soon. We need more time. So on the daily, guys, I want you to see, guys, very strong, guys. Look, as long as XRP will not touch the daily cloud, guys, look at the Bitcoin. Who is more sexier? Sorry, redundant. Who is sexier, Bitcoin daily chart or the XRP? This is the daily cloud. The daily cloud is here for the Bitcoin. Who is stronger? Let me ask you. Which?
XRP.
Correct. Why? The daily cloud is very far. Look at the structure of XRP, guys. Very, very strong, guys. And look, we have abolished a hidden flag pole pattern. This is the flag pole. This is the flag. That is why I called earlier, we need to close above 1.66. We must not close below this green line. So this is not only a session about retracement, guys. This is part of my plan to get this along. It is recorded. You can watch this over and over. So let's go back to our first chart. So again, this is the plan. This is the topic. We will make a trade. This is the first part of low retracement. We will make a trade plan and create exit or take profit or TP, as well as stop loss. Stop loss is very important in trade, guys. We must not, depending for me, guys, personally, if I'm very confident like XRP, guys, if my trade is not went according to plan, I just hold it. It's like a day trade turned into hodling mode. Just hold. Why stop loss? So also your entry. So this is my entry, this is my exit, this is my stop loss, entry, stop loss, and I don't want to get a low Bitcoin here, dangerous. So if this is a futures trading, I get liquidated here. I don't want my money to go like alcohol. So that is the first part, guys. We will make the law of retracements, guys, is very important if we make a trade plan. So price is speculation for future price action. Actually, we don't know what will happen. Everything can happen. So that is the first part. The second part is this price history. Very important. Again, example, if this the Bitcoin, guys, achieve an all-time high, guys, let me delete all the drawings. So let's go back to scratch, delete all the drawings. Okay, that is why, guys, trading and charting, guys, and technicals needs a lot of for me, I've been doing this for second year now. I know you're learning a lot from here. I know, I'm confident you're going to be better than me. So just keep do not leave from this group like what happened to our two members, and I have to kick Maynard because Maynard is, I don't know what happened to Maynard. He's not the same guy that I know before. So I don't know what happened to Maynard, but I'm nothing personal. I need to remove him so that my plan, my TA, I'm the final decision maker here, would not be compromised. I don't want anyone to get suffered. 1.70 XRP, guys, very strong. So just holding.
Yeah, I just sold half my bag.
Yeah.
50%. And I'm about to sell the other half at 171.
Okay. Boss,
Nice.
boss, you need personally, me, my target is 2.09 because after 2.09 we will have a major correction. Why? Look at the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands is trying to go up. So if price trying to get out of the B band, it is oversold. So like this, so auto selling. When the B band, when the price go out of the B band, especially in the daily, sell. So it's very important, guys, that our target, we focus on target first. 209 is the target. 2.09 is a retracement, guys. Here, I want you to see this. Here, look, can you see? I'm not just giving random numbers, guys. I gave you, this is our target. Here, we need this ASAP.
I think Ash is saying what she's just done is scalped a couple of extra coins on the basis that she thought it was going to drop, and it probably will.
Oh, yeah. So let's continue, guys. We are now in the second part, price history. So retracement, guys, is very important. I know a lot of TAs out there using Elliots. I don't know. I'm still having trouble with Elliots, but I will continue my strategy and teach you. So Fibonacci, we use Fibonacci always, guys. Identify the trend. So we determine what is the current all-time high of Bitcoin as example, and get the low and the high. So connect them. That is the retracement, the Fibonacci retracement. So this is now the second part, price history, because we can also make decisions, better decision making when we see when we so again we can see how low the Bitcoin hit after achieving the all-time high. So we use the price range. Do not underestimate the practice of charting, guys. This is a very good skill for you to make trade plans, better trade plans. So we just simple again, click the just estimate and drag. Remember, this is daily time frame. You can use a lot of time frames, guys. So just for an example, so we can see here a drop of 27.62%. That is huge, guys. So from 64, almost 65, we went down to almost 47. Yeah, don't worry, boss Aaron, everything is recorded. Look, recorded, guys. I made sure of that. So this is not only about randoming live, but I'm doing all I can to back all our video back up. So again, this is the retracement, 27.62%. Right now, where we are here, we are now here. This is support now. This is support. Good. Let's identify the supports. Here, support. This is the buy areas. Support. The Fibonacci retracement, guys, itself is the support. This is part of the law of retracement. They are supports. When the price is above the previous, listen very carefully, when the price is above the previous retracement numbers, guys, they act as support. When the price is below, or the retracement, the Fibonacci retracement levels are so above from the price, they are resistance. So you can now look at that. This is the resistance, this is the resistance also, and this one, the all-time high itself, the previous all-time high. Not only that, check the candles structure. This is resistance, so this is resistance, a lot of resistance. This is the area of supply, this is the area of demand. No one wants to buy Bitcoin high, the same as no one will sell their Bitcoin low. So people will do bidding. Hey, let me buy your Bitcoin low. No, I will sell this high until they agree. That is trading, guys. So 7.62% down. Right now we are here. So speculate how much how much more for the Bitcoin, or how much percentage does it takes for the current Bitcoin price to hit again the all-time high. So 13.36%. On the downside, okay, so you can see now clearly who is controlling. Bitcoin is in a bearish trade. See, so bearish bias. So that is why I said in my video and earlier, Bitcoin must close above the 50-day. Where is that moving average? Here we must as at all costs close above the 50-day, because right now you can see, guys, the actual retracement number. So that is, guys, that's our topic tonight, the law of retracements, so that we can make better decisions. So questions are now open. You can ask now while we are many right now. I'm happy that we are many right now.
Yeah. So when you draw the Fibonacci, right? So you go to the top of the closing trade, then.
You
So
will
so
go
where
to,
do you draw it
depends.
from then?
It depends. You go to the previous all-time high of Bitcoin. In the case of Bitcoin, always the recent high. In any crypto currency, whether XRP, always check the latest high. That is the basement of the
So
retracement.
in this instance, this is a daily high, right?
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah,
that
yeah.
you're looking at, right? Okay, right. So if you were looking at a 4-hour chart, for
Okay,
instance,
the same.
right? So you would be going to the daily
same.
high. Okay,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. To make it faster, go to the weekly. Okay, but for the sake of standard, daily chart is standard for technical
For
trader.
drawing Fibonacci.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Don't worry, this is just basic. We will discuss more soon about the details of why Fibonacci is very, very important. So next question, while we still have time.
When do I buy back my XRP?
Okay, boss, listen. Okay, here's a plan. So you have sold your XRP at what price, boss? 1.71?
No, that's gonna be my second sell. My first sell was at 1.68.
Okay. So right
That
now
was
it's pumping.
50%.
So
Yeah.
it's
I was
like
gonna
it's
sell
like
again.
saying you're like saying, boss, that you want XRP to go down again. Please, no. This is a do this, boss. Tomorrow's closing, we base your trade, your buyback depending on the close tomorrow. Is that would that be okay, boss? We need a daily confirmation tomorrow.
I mean, I'm just picking your brain, you know. I still make my own decisions. I think we all make our own decisions,
Yeah.
right, guys?
Yes.
So, because, you know, it's good to pick someone's brain and see where they're at compared to where you're at. You know,
Yeah.
but I'm thinking of selling the second half at 171. I just missed it by a few seconds because I'm doing market. I'm not doing limit. I'm not putting in the price. I'm just
Yeah.
clicking when it reaches it.
Boss, I
But
give
I
you
think-
tip. I give you tip in volume in selling market. Check the volumes. Always check the volumes. Because
checking it. It's
the
not like-
bids, because you're going to
Yeah.
throw them to the bids. Check the volumes, because sometimes if you sell, people will be smart. They will lower the bid. It's hard to explain, but just be careful. Check the volumes always.
I'm not worried because eventually it goes down. You know,
Yeah.
Yeah.
eventually, even if it goes up, it will go down. It's just
Yeah.
a matter of time.
Yeah.
I'm just hoping it happens quickly so I can get back in. You know.
Yeah.
But you said I think the next support was 156.
Yes.
$1.56.
Yes. Here you can
So
see,
I
boss.
always
Look
wait for-
here. 1.6. It's a Fibonacci. That is the retracement. Low of retracement.
Okay, and the high, you said 209.
That is the target, boss. Our main target, 2.09. But $2 is already okay. But that is my main target before. Listen, we might hit $2, and the stochastic RSI will be look like this here. Then then $2, 2 or 2.0. Guys, boss, we need to speculate. We need to see a future. It doesn't matter if wrong or right. We must practice speculation. So when time comes, when the stochastic RSI might be here, then after that, major correction. Major correction.
Go back to what?
We might go. We will create a new higher low. You know, boss, trading is just creating new higher low like this. When
What do you
XRP,
think could be its new higher low?
right now our new higher low today is 1.59. Good move. Yesterday the low was 1.36. Good move also. And remember, the low on the April 26 is 1.37. I sorry, 1.01. So we are in the good hands, guys. Look at, this is the path now of the XRP ascending channel.
Will there be a chance to go back to 0.94 once the major correction happens?
Where is the daily cloud? Let me ask you. The Ichimoku cloud has a purpose here. If we touch this, if ever the price will touch cloud, that's dangerous. Auto sell. So far, where we are? Where are we? Are the clouds near the
Was
price?
1.12.
Okay.
Like 1.30.
A lot of TA, guys, you know, I'm not bragging myself. Listen very closely. I'm not boastful here, but a lot of traders out there like 360, etc. They have their own strength, but me, I have my own set. As long as I can see where is the daily cloud, I'm confident. Daily cloud is a very useful indicator. Simple. As long as price do not touch. I'm not sharing this to Twitter, just only to us. I hope you get my point, guys. Because look at the Bitcoin. Where it is now? Near the cloud. Let us hide this is one of my secret, guys. Okay, let me hide the rest of the one. Let me remove the drawings. Okay, you can see now clearly where is the price of the near the cloud. So very dangerous for the Bitcoin. But look at XRP, guys, very far from the daily cloud, bullish. So I hope I have answered your questions. That is why I'm confident that the low will be 1.34, and it did. Boom. So
I do have a question.
go on, boss. Go on, boss.
What signal do you look for while trading that shows that it's going to go down? I'm talking about like the 15-minute chart when you're scalping.
Okay. Scalping.
What signal do you look for?
Let's go. Okay.
Do you look for it to hit the support line?
Sample,
Or
boss. Okay, I'm doing
Yeah.
let us not use 5:15. 5 minutes is my favorite among all. Okay. So, this is the 5 minute. Very fast. Look at it dropping. So, this is the B band. This is the B band. When the price go outside the B band, sell. Then, this is a 5 minute. Always wait for the next 5 minute. So, wait. This is live trading. If I have money now, I need to show you. Then where is the stochastic RSI? Above here. No buying here. We don't buy here. Why? Because the stochastic is above. We need stochastic here. This is a signal. Here. We need to wait. Wait, and check the BIS. Where is the break-in support? Where is the break? Here. This is the resistance now. This is resistance. So do not buy here. Wait for the lower band here. This is the buy area. When the price also goes down in the lower band, automatic buy. That is oversold, so you need to buy. When the price go outside the B band, that is oversold, you need to sell. That is overbought, you need to sell. Just the reverse. When overbought, sell. When oversell, buy. That is my signal, boss. That is the secret of my successful trades, handling accounts. I check I don't use other charts, technicals. I just use stochastic and the charts and the Ichimoku and the B band.
So I'm looking at the stochastic now, the RSI.
5 minutes.
And you have, okay, so you're looking at volume as well, no?
I'm not worried about volume because when live trading, boss, is different compared to the signals I give you. In volume, boss, let me tell you the purpose of volumes, boss. Let me show you. This is volume, boss. Let's go back to the daily clock. Daily volume for me is behavior, the behavior of people. So this is high volume, meaning a lot of people buy, a lot of people enter. So next, volume high again, a lot of people enters. The next day, this until this day, I'm mastering volume, guys. I'm mastering volume. So you know, when we see previous volumes like this, okay, this is the current now. Okay, example, this is one. We cannot say, sorry, let me zoom more. Okay. I'm mastering volume, guys. I'm not yet perfect in volumes. Okay. Example, here. We don't know what will happen, right? Next. We don't know what will happen. So, what we need to do is check the volumes. So, let me ask you, Boss Sandy. What is the volume for 3 days? 1, 2, 3. What is the volume for 3 days? Bearish or bullish?
Bearish.
Okay. What is the opposite of bearish? What is the opposite of bearish? Bullish, right? Okay. So, a lot of people exit. They exit here. They exit here. Because why? Look at the volumes on the previous day. Buying. A lot. That is overbuying. So, what happened next? People will get out. Remember, trading is markets are, I rather trade in a market that is healthy than joining programs like pyramiding, outrageous. Okay, so what happened next, guys? If we saw a volume like this, bearish, so that is a signal for us to buy. Why? It will rebound. So, look what happened next. Okay, double volumes. So this skill needs a lot of patience, guys. So I hope
so you're looking at the daily for the volume, right?
Yeah.
But you're scalping, right? So the daily bit doesn't really help you because you're looking
volumes
at
is
a
not
cycle
helping the 5 minutes.
within that day, right? So
Yeah.
you need to go to the right time frame, right,
Yeah,
and then look at the volume. So there is there's a you might have heard this, Ash, right? There's a weather theory, right? You know, so we've got people, you know, your weather forecasters who predict the weather, but there is a theory that you're more accurate by looking at the weather and saying what was the weather yesterday, today will be the same, right?
Yeah.
And so there is a similar thing within trading, right? So what was it? Was it green today? Is it going to be green tomorrow? Right? And the longer something is green, the more chances are it's going to be red as you go along, right? Because you never get a day when it's always green all the way through.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's that basis when people are buying and selling, right? Because you have to take human behavior in because they're not machines, right? And people make their decisions. So when you were asking about when do you decide whether you're going to sell or buy, right? So you see those support lines that were drawn by the Fibonacci, right? So in scalping, I tend not to look at those. What I do is I look at the graph, and you can see the support lines.
Yeah.
So often, on those graphs I've got, you see all those lines I've got. That some of these I've drawn weeks ago, but we come back to these same values all the time, right? But they're drawn by eye. They're very close to Fibonacci, but it's sort of telling you a little bit where they are. So that's what I look at, and I go, okay, so we've got a double bottom here, a double bottom here, a double bottom here. They're all in line. That tells me that's probably going to be hitting at that the next time down, and the same with the tops, right?
So,
the highs.
Okay. Yeah. We are now getting longer, so to make close a summary, simple, guys.
Sorry.
Just use the stochastic RSI. When we see what happening to my simple, guys, this is a closing. When we see, just pay attention to the stochastic, guys. Very, very helpful. That is when they touch, use a green color. When they are touched, guys, buy. Simple. Then wait, this is 5 minutes, this is faster. You can just watch, you can leave, you can take a bath, eat. When you like here, when the stochastic RSI hinting for a buy signal here, this is a buy. When the blue cross the red, that is a buy. Where is that? Here. Correct. Look at that, guys. A rebound. So when the price hits here,
Mhm.
can you see? See,
Yeah.
that is the exit. But remember, in live trading, it's different, guys. It's easy to analyze. It's easy to analyze a chart that is already happened, but in live trading, it's different. We cannot see what will happen, right? So, as stochastic will help us when we see. Just wait. When you see a blue crossing the red, then confirm in the
I don't see
pattern.
the blues crossing the red on my stochastic. I only see like the 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 lines going up and down, but that's it. I don't see blue
That,
hitting the red. I
okay.
don't know what you
Don't
mean.
worry about for that, boss. Soon, I know you're getting excited. So that is why I'm using PC, guys. I'm using PC in trading. I do not use cell phone, guys, because accurate trading is PC. So I hope
So
I
when
have
you're
answered.
looking at the RSI, you're looking at the 5 minute when you're scalping.
Yes, 5 minutes the best. 15 minutes
Okay.
also is 30, but 5 minutes the best. So
Okay.
okay, thank you so much, guys. This is
Yeah.
recorded. I will upload this tomorrow. So I hope
Thank you
you
very
have,
much.
yeah. I hope you have learned from me, my brains.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
okay,
Always,
okay,
Raf.
okay.
Thank you very
Back
much.
So